to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I have a special video for you where I got 2 wigs. Well, 1 wig in 2 colors, and I will be showing you what a wig can look like in different colors. Real quick, I am actually filming this after the fact because part of the clips for this video got corrupted somehow. So you won't see me like getting this wig together because I've already done that and already worn it. And yeah, it is what it is. But I didn't want you to miss out on seeing these wigs. The second wig in the second color, I do have all of the clips for that. So you're going to see me getting it together. And since they're exact same wig, I think that it's okay. So just so you know that you're going to see the intro, I was wearing something different. And then the rest of the video after this, I'm going to be wearing something different. So this is the only part of it that was filmed after the fact. So blah, blah, blah. I picked up Freetress equals V-shaped Deluxe front wig, and this is in V-004. Okay, and I got her in 2 colors. I did get her in this blonde color, but this one here is a number 4, which I think is so pretty. And I scooped these wigs up from Black Hairspray for $24.99 each. This wig is a gorgeous yaki texture. I love Freetress equals like true yaki textures. I think it's amazing. And this is a deep left side part. She didn't really take that much to get together. You'll see on the blonde one what I did, because I did the same. I have worn this wig a few times, and I do have an update video on this, but just know that it's really held up well. I'd say it's about 24 inches long at the end. I'm not going to say too much more right now because I do have the other clips and I do talk a lot more about the wig. In general, they're the exact same, 2 different colors. You see in the beginning how that can look. I actually like this wig in both the colors. Sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes I have a wig that I like in one color, and then when I get it in another color, I don't like it. So if that's the case for you too, let me know if that's ever happened to you. And so that's the number 4. Then you're going to see the next color and me getting that together right now. I took a little bit more time getting this chick together because I'm actually going to wear her. So this is the one that is in like the 26613. I don't hate this. You can see there's a color variation towards the bottom. I just feel like the color that's shown there that's supposed to be the 26613 is definitely less yellow than it is in real life. Now, I don't necessarily hate this. I may tone this though. I do feel like she's pretty, but I think toned she would be better for sure. I love the yaki texture. She actually does have like pretty good baby hairs. I didn't even realize that at first. So you can see. So if you wanted to, I usually don't like to set them down. I'm not wearing my wigs for an extensive period of time usually. I did a little, where's my toothbrush? Little bit of leave out here, you know, just so it would mesh a little bit better. This chick was heady too. These shed a little bit. And oh, I didn't say that. I said that this was the V-shaped deluxe lace front, but there's different ones. So this is the number 004. So I forgot to say that. I wanted to remember. I do like this wig. I'm curious to see how I like it after I go out tonight. I do like this wig. She is going to tangle because she's really, really long. I do feel like this is one of those ones, styles that could easily be cut up because it has these sort of water waves. So you can just follow one of the water waves. And yeah, so that is V-004 from Freetress Equal. If there's another wig that you'd like me to review in 2 colors, put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you know, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.